First I will double check focus track settings, cycling, 4 meter and inner height. Yeah, I want to have the inner height to 3. Yeah, because I found it a bit too low when I used 2.5. And not to forget, dynamic home point, so I can see approximately distance, and focus track, and me. And now just have to remember to select cycling. Did this yesterday and I forgot to change it to cycling from spotlight. Okay, first run will be to up to 25 kilometers an hour, and I will increase next time. So accelerate up to 25 or 26 it is. 28, 29. 28. 22 now, that's not fast enough. I want to try 25. Come on. Okay. It's still a little bit. And I'm now turning.
Cycling through the quiet.
Let's turn
Where the roads unwind.
and pedal as much as I can. Hopefully it should give me 40 kilometers an hour. Let's see. I only have support up to 25, but still it should be okay.
One way to sway.
Yeah, it's on.
Feeling free on the trail, just the bike in me. Testing on the edge where I'm meant to be. Trying to get closer, but it can't keep pace. The love for the ride in this open space.
Keep on pedaling.
You're to my champion, it tracks like a dream. Sticking to me tight like a sunbeam.
Okay.
No matter how
It did lose me.
it's always inside.
Okay, it seems like it has
In this stunning land,
lost me quite early.
everything feels right.
There it is. No, I can't see me, so I have to add myself.
Lost in my thoughts.
Okay, as you see, I'm
Freedom I sought, the island pond
choosing cycling follow, far, on, and high.
disappear.
I'll do the same as with the Mini 5 Pro. I'll do 25 and up to perhaps 28 first. Seven, 28. Yeah. Speed up a little bit. $25, $26. The Mini 5 Pro managed this. And I can hear that the Neo had no problems. Let's see if it follows me back and then do a higher speed. Yeah, I found it straight away. And then let's do a turn. And go as fast as I can. It's on me. Come on.
The Indy 5 Pro, you started strong, it's true, but Neo 2's the one that always breaks through. As I ride faster, it's glued to my side. In the dance of the journey, it's my trusted guide. Neo 2, my champion, it tracks like a dream, sticking to me tight like a sunbeam. No matter how fast, it's always inside. In this stunning landscape, everything feels right.
Well, it's simply not possible to lose the Neo 2. It's an amazing tracker. I mean, if I Pro can just go to bed, it can't even compare.
Flying up above, I see it all down low. The beauty surrounds, taking it slow. Every frame captured moments we make, creating a bond in the path that we take. No crowd to bother, remote is my space. In this peaceful haven, I found my place. With every tight corner and the wind in my hair, mountain, sky, and water, none can compare. Neo 2, my champion, it tracks like a dream, sticking to me tight like a sunbeam. No matter how fast, it's always inside. In this stunning landscape, everything feels right. So here's to the moments, the rides that we take in the heart of this island. Memories we make with Neo 2 beside me. I'm never alone in this dance of freedom. I finally